Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous beach bikini fashion choices of the incredibly stylish Taapsee Pannu. Known for her impeccable taste and bold fashion statements, Taapsee never fails to turn heads, especially when it comes to her beachwear. Let's break down some of her standout looks. Taapsee effortlessly channels boho vibes with her first beach look. She opts for a vibrant, printed bikini paired with a flowy, high-slit cover-up. The bohemian accessories, including layered necklaces and statement earrings, complete the look, giving her an easygoing yet chic beach style. In another appearance, Taapsee goes for classic elegance with a monochrome bikini set. The high-waisted bottoms and a halter neck top showcase her timeless style. The oversized sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat add a touch of sophistication, making this look perfect for a glamorous day by the sea. The actress embraces a sporty aesthetic for her beach day. She rocks a sporty bikini paired with comfortable shorts and a loose tank top. The addition of a trendy visor and sneakers gives the ensemble a playful and active vibe, making it an ideal choice for those who love both fashion and fitness. For a more daring look, she opts for a bikini featuring bold prints and strategic cutouts. This edgy choice allows her to showcase her confidence and adventurous side. Paired with minimal accessories, this ensemble is a perfect example of how to make a statement on the beach. Taapsee embraces the beauty of florals. She chooses a bikini adorned with vibrant floral patterns, exuding a playful and feminine vibe. The addition of a wide-brimmed hat and beachy waves in her hair enhances the overall tropical feel, making this ensemble perfect for a sunny day at the beach. Taapsee takes a trip down memory lane with a retro-inspired beach look. A high-waisted, polka-dot bikini paired with a cropped blouse gives off vintage glamour. She completes the look with cat eye sunglasses and a retro headband, proving that old-school charm is always in style, even on the shows. For a more understated yet sophisticated look, the actress opts for a neutral-toned bikini set. The clean lines and minimalist design highlight her natural beauty. She accessorizes with a stylish sarong and oversized beach tote, creating an effortlessly chic appearance that's perfect for a leisurely beach day. She plays with bold colors and geometric shapes in the striking color block bikini ensemble. The combination of vibrant hues and well-defined lines creates a visually appealing and modern look. With minimal accessories and sleek hair, she lets the vibrant colors take center stage, showcasing her flair for contemporary beach fashion. The actress channels her inner tropical goddess. Opting for a bold, tropical print bikini, she pairs it with a sheer, flowing cover-up that billows in the ocean breeze. Completing the ensemble with a flower crown and statement earrings, Taapsee creates a stunning, ethereal appearance perfect for a beach paradise. As the sun sets, she effortlessly blends style with serenity. She chooses a sunset-hued bikini, reflecting the warm tones of the evening sky. A loosely draped kimono adds a touch of elegance, while delicate anklets and beachy waves in her hair create an air of relaxed sophistication, making this look ideal for a beachside sunset soiree. The beauty embraces nautical vibes in this chic beach ensemble. Sporting a striped bikini reminiscent of classic sailor aesthetics, she pairs it with high-waisted shorts and a tied-up shirt. A captain's hat and oversized sunglasses complete the nautical theme, showcasing her ability to infuse a touch of playfulness into her fashion choices. Diving into the realm of fantasy, Taapsee transforms into a mystical mermaid with this enchanting beach look. A sequined mermaid-cut bikini combined with a flowing, sheer skirt creates an ethereal silhouette. Glittering body jewelry and a shimmering headpiece complete the transformation, turning the beach into her own magical underwater kingdom. The actress effortlessly channels bohemian vibes in this free-spirited beach look. Opting for a crochet bikini with intricate details, she pairs it with a flowy, tiered maxi skirt. Chunky boho accessories, including layered bracelets and anklets, add an extra touch of carefree elegance. With tassel beach waves, she epitomizes the bohemian spirit by the shore. She showcases her glamorous side with a gingham pattern bikini that exudes both retro charm and contemporary allure. High-cut bottoms and a bandeau top accentuate her silhouette, while oversized sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat elevate the ensemble to new heights of sophistication. This look is a perfect blend of vintage and modern glamour. In this playful yet tasteful look, Taapsee opts for a bikini with unique tie-up details. The strategic knots add a touch of flirtatiousness to the ensemble, while high-waisted bottoms provide a flattering fit. Paired with a sheer sarong and strappy sandals, this beach look strikes the perfect balance between fun and elegant allure. The actress unleashes her wild side with a fierce animal print bikini. The bold patterns and daring cuts showcase her confidence and fearless fashion sense. Adding a wide-brimmed hat and statement heels, she transforms the beach into her runway, proving that animal prints are not just for the jungle but also for making a bold statement seaside. Taapsee radiates sun-kissed elegance in this enchanting beach look. Opting for a golden-hued bikini with intricate embellishments, she creates an ethereal glow that mirrors the sun's warm embrace. A sheer, floor-length cover-up adds a touch of sophistication, making her the epitome of a beachside siren basking in the sunlight. In a nod to vintage Hollywood glamour, the beauty stuns in a retro-inspired beach ensemble. A high-waisted, polka-dot bikini paired with a halter neck top exudes old-world charm. She completes the look with oversized sunglasses and a silk headscarf, transporting us back to the golden era of cinematic elegance right on the shores. Taapsee embraces opulence with a lace-detailed bikini that oozes luxury. The delicate lacework combined with a halter neck top and low-rise bottoms creates a sophisticated and romantic beach look. She enhances the ensemble with a wide-brimmed hat and statement earrings, proving that lace isn't just for formal occasions but can be a beachside statement too. The actress showcases her artistic flair with a unique and avant-garde beach ensemble. A bikini featuring abstract prints and asymmetrical cuts becomes a canvas for her self-expression. Adding unconventional accessories and a bold, wide headband, she turns the beach into an art gallery, proving that fashion is a form of personal artistry. The beauty embraces tribal-inspired chic in this captivating beach look. Opting for a bikini adorned with tribal prints and intricate beadwork, she pays homage to cultural aesthetics. Complemented by a fringed kimono and earthy accessories, she effortlessly combines bohemian vibes with tribal allure, creating a striking and culturally rich ensemble. Stepping into the future of beach fashion, Taapsee dazzles in a bikini that boasts futuristic elements. Metallic accents, bold geometric shapes, and sleek lines define this avant-garde look. Paired with reflective sunglasses and metallic accessories, she transforms the beach into her own runway, embodying a modern and fashion-forward femme fatale. In a departure from traditional beachwear, Taapsee explores the realms of romance and whimsy with a tulle-adorned bikini. The delicate fabric drapes gracefully, creating a dreamy and ethereal effect. Paired with strappy sandals and a flower-adorned hairstyle, this look is a perfect blend of beach sensuality and fairy tale charm. The actress merges bohemian vibes with a rebellious edge in this edgy beach ensemble. A studded bikini top paired with distressed denim shorts creates a juxtaposition of soft and tough elements. Completing the look with combat boots and layered accessories, she defines a new era of boho chic, where free-spirited meets urban rebellion. The beauty lights up the beach in this vibrant neon ensemble. Choosing a bold, neon-colored bikini with high-contrast patterns, she ensures all eyes are on her. Completing the look with neon accessories and oversized sunglasses, she embodies the essence of a modern beach goddess, effortlessly combining boldness with beachside allure. Taapsee redefines ravishing in a striking red beach look. Opting for a red-hot bikini with intricate details, she exudes confidence and glamour. A flowing sarong with high slits adds an element of drama, making this ensemble perfect for a beach rendezvous that demands attention and admiration. In a nod to artistic expression, she dons a bikini reminiscent of watercolor paintings. Soft pastel hues and blurred patterns create a dreamy and whimsical effect. Adding a sheer, flowing cover-up, she transforms the beach into her own canvas, proving that fashion can be a beautiful and artistic experience. Taapsee showcases sophistication by the seaside with a tailored and elegant beach look. A structured bikini with clean lines and subtle details reflects a refined taste. Paired with wide-legged beach pants and a chic sun hat, she effortlessly elevates the beach aesthetic to a level of understated elegance. Taapsee embraces the magic of moonlit nights with a mystical beach look. Choosing a bikini adorned with celestial patterns and metallic accents, she captures the essence of a moonlit soiree by the shore. The addition of a sheer, flowing cape and iridescent accessories enhances the ethereal allure, creating a look that is both enchanting and otherworldly. In a nod to sustainable fashion, the actress dons an eco-chic beach ensemble. Opting for a bikini made from eco-friendly materials with earthy tones, she showcases her commitment to both style and the environment. Complemented by a straw hat and bamboo accessories, this look embodies the beauty of eco-conscious beach fashion. The beauty radiates pure elegance in a glowing beach look. Choosing a bikini with subtle metallic sheen and delicate embellishments, she creates an ethereal glow that captures the sunlight. A flowing, sheer duster and metallic sandals complete the ensemble, turning the beach into her own shimmering runway. She takes on the beach as an urban jungle explorer. Opting for a camouflaged bikini with utilitarian details, she pairs it with cargo-style beach pants and combat boots. Completing the look with a wide-brimmed hat and aviator sunglasses, she fuses rugged urban style with beach adventure, making a bold statement by the shore. The actress embraces oceanic opulence in this regal beach ensemble. Choosing a bikini adorned with pearls and aquatic-inspired embellishments, she exudes a sense of underwater royalty. A flowing, iridescent cover-up and seashell accessories complete the look, turning the beach into her own opulent underwater kingdom. She takes a walk on the wild side with a safari-inspired beach look. Opting for a khaki-colored bikini with utilitarian details, she pairs it with high-waisted shorts and a wide-brimmed hat. Completing the ensemble with animal print accessories, she effortlessly combines adventure and style in this chic safari-inspired beach attire. Inspired by ancient Grecian aesthetics, Taapsee channels goddess-like elegance on the beach. Choosing a draped, one-shoulder bikini with metallic accents, she embodies the grace of a Grecian muse. Adding a flowing, flow-length wrap and golden accessories, she transforms the beach into a modern-day Olympus, radiating timeless beauty. The actress infuses the vibrant energy of a carnival into her beach look. Opting for a bikini with bold, colorful patterns and playful ruffles, she captures the spirit of celebration. Adding vibrant accessories, such as feathered earrings and a flower crown, she turns the beach into a lively carnival of style and joy. Taapsee Pannu's beach bikini fashion choices are undoubtedly a source of inspiration for many. Whether it's boho chic, classic elegance, sporty vibes, or bold prints, she effortlessly flaunts a variety of styles with confidence and grace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.